Graphic design courses have become increasingly prevalent and important as the need for effective visual communication has expanded across various industries. These courses are meticulously designed to equip students with the skills necessary to create visually appealing and effective designs. They typically cover a broad spectrum of topics, ranging from foundational design principles to advanced techniques using industry-standard software. Subscribe to the channel to encourage us to continue producing videos like this. Like and comment on upcoming video topics. The curriculum of a graphic design course usually begins with an introduction to the principles of design, such as color theory, typography, and layout design. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial as they form the backbone of any successful design. Students learn how to manipulate colors to evoke certain emotions, use typography to convey messages clearly, and create balanced layouts to ensure that information is easily digestible. Following the foundational modules, students embark on learning digital tools and techniques. Graphic design courses often provide in-depth training on software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, which are essential tools for any designer. Mastery of these programs allows students to bring their creative visions to life with precision and efficiency. A significant portion of the coursework may also focus on conceptual skills and the development of a personal design style. Students are encouraged to explore different design trends, critique and analyze historical and modern art movements, and apply their knowledge in practical projects. This exploration enables them to develop a unique voice and approach within the realm of graphic design. Many graphic design courses culminate with a capstone project or portfolio development. This aspect allows students to present their work comprehensively, showcasing their ability to apply theoretical knowledge practically. Portfolios serve as a crucial tool in the field of graphic design, as they evidence the designer's skills and creativity to potential employers or clients. Overall, graphic design courses are instrumental in developing both the technical prowess and artistic sensibility necessary for aspiring designers. They provide a solid foundation, enabling graduates to navigate the competitive creative industries effectively.